My country people them at the salute una. Today na 1st September 2020. Well, I don't come online to introduce this my fellow brother here. We come out from womb from Menchum division. And before I want start for the talk anything, I will first of all thank my countryman. Thank also the population, the whole population where they don't come to join me to follow up our program. And also our brothers where they boya, Kawa, Yani, Clovis and Beltus. And also salute them. So for ask and say how, I hope say they don't need to fine. Because we for Bamenda here, we don't get some small worries from these boys and now these days. We after we were brought, I will talk here. We will come officially with all the information them. With that one, I very sweet information. With this because this guy them, the Amber do a brother them for bush. The Amber guy them, they don't actually hook up. So other crazy this time around where they say they come for find we anytime. Attack we don't know why. Or they go fin and say those things so that they can't do so, it go help we, it go help now we, it go help now them wait and see them for the bush. So I salute them and our country people. I go give the room for my colleague where they here, my fellow ex-combat and where me I did for duty I sent away, he come up from Menchum, coming to me. And other ex-combat and them. So he go introduce you now himself. He tell you the reason why we enter bush. And the reason why we come out. Thank you, my brother. So, Mr. Desmond, Mayor Desmond, you go tell what people them, do our country people them, wait till way sending for bush and wait till way actually make you come out today where you can't sit down with that front today. So, thank you.
Thank you. Well, my papa them, my mommy them, my brother them, now good evening. So, today, the 1st of September, 2020, I don't decide say no, all man give hear my story today because of safety. I still get alive. Wonderful. First thing I will talk, I come out inside Menchum, inside subdivision, Fungwam subdivision. I don't work for 4 places.
Brother, you be allowed to that the people them actually the hear you very well. So you feel actually.
I work for 4 places them. First, my name is near Desmond Men from Menka village inside Fungwam subdivision. People don't talk about my story, so I don't die, but I still alive. And thank God. I don't work for Isu under General Stone. I don't work for Furawa under Colonel Slaga. I work with Robosco.
Yes.
For Kung Base. Where the control right can reach for inside way. So my brother and sister them. You not be being at my likeness to go inside bush. But wait where our brother them. With behave. Me I not be feel understand what they come on. I've been at the highest Okada rider inside Fungwam subdivision. Where any man know about me. When the thing we start, one guy will come up for the side of Manfi, come our place in a coaching guy. They tell you see that boy where he is so that one of the highest Okada man that he ride bike. When we could take he could fit show we all the places them enter for any place we want to enter. Because when I climb on top bike, no man will stop me. If you take my new bike, they burn the bike. Because of safety, I stop on to join them. Now we've been a must. Say you must join this struggle. Secondly, down they burn my bike. I decide. I call my Remy, I tell my Remy, say, wait, mama, don't burn my bike. And this boy them they so I never leave them go free. I must join them. For safety, me I want to sit in the camp. I don't join them. I think say sometimes some payment will come for day or some gift will come for day. But I realize say no nothing on the camp. I joined this struggle since 2017, 2018. Can't reach it today. I disarmed since on the for October, April, 3rd April 2020. I did our disarm. I don't be for good for 2 years and some months. I get woman, I get picking them. But I check say waiting. All these things what they do, I'm so who they pay me and who they feed my picking them and who they will take care of my family. I be the first boy picking for my mommy, they will 9. I be the first boy picking. And the other one then they look on me say, well brother, they look on you say tomorrow. When you don't bat, you go help them. I don't check myself, I say the thing, this to my brother then. You know they pay. You know they pay at all because of safety. They don't shoot my brother from my corner, so I'm not saying no. Now for a way, I could believe I'm saying money to come out, race and to whether they pay for this struggle. But they say they don't pay no nothing. I suffer, work out on top bike for 8 hours, enter Nigeria. Where they write a book, a general write a book, give me say, go for this village, make them do contribution. Go for this village, make them do contribution. But I go reach for Nigeria, I see and say, alive, you know the worker. That day, I tell Papa God, say, God, I beg down so, I pray for you, forgive any bad with me, I don't do on this ground. Receive me and be born again. I come out, I walk on my 2 foot, my gun, go give army camp. I've been the only first man. This I mentioned, we don't do that kind of act. Work out food, go get that gun. I can't discover, I say no, truly. Papa, when our president of Cameroon, don't prepare a fine place for we. With me, I will do that act so I not ever know whether they'll carry me and put up some place. But now the government security, they tell me, say, government don't prepare some place for you now, oh, day for bush. They go take you for me. I talk say, when I not take me for go kill him, they say, my brother, leave him. When we go take you for day, you go know, say no, na different place. I be for them for 1 month, 1 week. They carry me, bring him for them. No stress. I be there, army camp, I be the work, I feel free. When I instead my general call for army camp, say, they don't send me poison. I go poison a military. See me then die. I ask my brother, say, well, I come out and me, I don't tire the struggle. No, I not be write book to go join Amber. And no be book work or write that will come back. I force one and force me, I not be like me the struggle. But I don't say, I say all these things, we labor on our father and our mommy them. No man not the pay una.
Exactly.
No man not the pay me.
Exactly.
I don't suffer, I can't you my beginning. No man, and I ever chop 25 for this struggle. So I take the thing, how my mama they don't suffer my parents. They pain me. Because the house, they don't destroy them. Hospital. And I go attack hospital. Now go waiting. When you get the harm
who exactly? Now the militaries or the Ambazonia?
Now Amber they go destroy. Amber they don't go broke our hospital inside my place. Move things them. Carry and go say. Ask and say may be correct. Make sure they take and treat the normal civilian they want to say when they guard them. Now they see the same medicine when they carry and go say for different places. So hospital don't close now. If it happen now, say one of our brother don't shoot you. This how we go to you.
Okay, Mr. Desmond, I go feel hold up with your questions more. Yeah. Also for thank you for today we come to talk to our own contribute for them. Yeah. And also, you know, say for you we can't sit down for the camera today, so you know being about the importance not being about people then way me the year in the story. But also for the ones that way, I believe say our brothers them where they sit there for bush, to where they go feel hear them.
Well,
so I go feel like I will ask you some few questions, Mr. Desmond.
Very important.
Can where you be enter these things where they be force you actually, where they be force you and force them right?
Yes.
You be enter, they be make wait till that time way be enter where you want start fight, you be bargain for fight now for waiting.
Me, they will tell me so we fight for independent.
Independent, right? Yeah, okay, they will tell us that you fight independent.
Yes.
And that way you be the fight along the bush, so along the road to you go. You be the see and say that independent, they be the fight or not on different other things they will do.
Not be independent or they be the fight and they will find out terrorism.
Yes. Okay, the terrorism. That means you fit define that terrorism as.
That means
for we. The activities and because of the activities the way they will do and we will know whether na terrorism either actually una be there for una own side, so una be the fight na for the independent. So na una activities.
Yes, but we, when you hear say this man don't get small problem, or you be get enemy with you will just go attack you. You hear say that man get money, no one support now. When I decide to go surround you, either when I shoot you, kill him, take the property, they no be correct. So now I say that one not been a thing that way. If you fight for this struggle, because me I be done hear the struggle, they still run Okada right from my side. But till it happen from my place, you never been at the right struggle. So the other people that be the proud for me, how they be don't broke, bang them for wayside, broke bang them for women get their money them.
Okay. They be the proud that time for you, where they struggle. Actually, where you be the suffer.
Yeah, what they suffer
where
now.
you see how where you instead you be no say na independent, where they
they
fight. So that way, you instead they struggle, they try to fight the right thing. They instead provoke you.
Yes.
Say they don't get that money the way they don't operate them from bank, right? From bank.
Yes.
Yeah, I believe say the population the year from the bank.
From the banks.
Okay, now inside the struggle, that way they don't get that actually that money. So now whether you see I say they are marching and they for your own side.
My team and they plenty because plenty board and the way they don't want give up. The big people the way they control inside the struggle, they blindfold them. We talk. Una money they come, una kaki and then Nigeria, una this thing and they so and so.
Okay, deceive. They deceive. Okay, then I'm saying now who the people the way they deceive.
They generalize them.
They generalize them like
General Robosco, especially.
Robosco,
yeah, Robosco,
yes, and other Colonel Slager.
They work with them. So then secondly, Robosco actually tell me someday with the assembly say, I see day for here, man no one obey. If you like ye the Robosco die today, no one of the people will not of people compare with you. Say get a bank account for Nigeria.
You get a bank account for Nigeria.
So at the reason that talk, he show me something. Me I not go to school plenty. So me the wise man, we started checking my sense. Yes.
Okay, so now when if you tell you say actually get a bank account for Nigeria, wait, it make you I don't know what to make you wait that way they actually give you that information say get a bank account for Nigeria. So wait will be your own thinking inside the matter. Wait to be check that time now where you don't say you know if you compare with picking I need get a bank account. Wait till you be check as a general where you supposed to fight. We're supposed to
show with the
example there and
voila.
Support the picking and me fight the struggle. Wait till you check for your mind that time. Man.
Actually, if you go off from come back, sometimes if you go so the mission commanded them, they'll get their money them, they'll come with them, they can't put them to down. We the normal soldier them because me I be the general army inside come to control any man where they make rubbish. But I never ever see war on them. That way we reach a place of money, we return enmity among ourselves. We Abisham say you know be correct. We don't realize and say one day we will start shoot ourselves and it will happen. When I will check that sense, it will happen. Only we among ourselves can we will shoot ourselves. Don't go for a while, 2 times to fire ourselves. And what Abisham say no be correct. We start to fight cause them way, time for cause never reach. You would want to fight general. You know how many years we for inside government man the be before it can be general. And how many years we man the be it can be lieutenant. So I will check that thing and so it worry me.
Actually, okay, so for that side, actually where we check say a general that one time we talk for you. Me have analyze and say for that one now you will check say how come first for professionally, you know, first be trained. Then it boasts mostly on top money. Where you know get the capability to fight the fight.
The thing I will take the thing.
When then with all the thing, yes, go on.
I take the thing and so worry me because first a woman, if you don't carry a woman, go keep her in Nigeria. And then secondly,
now which general be that?
General Robosco.
Robosco, that means for whom?
Yes, for whom. Now he control the woman too.
Yeah, the woman too.
Yes.
That's right.
So if you tell you don't carry a woman, go keep her for Nigeria. Anytime, no mix as I think for years, that be the bush, no man no be buy me mixing. No man. And me one I spend 250,000 when I'm money on Jangi we have a chop and this thing just start. So as if they use that statement so at the gather I not be stay for Barra. I be gather my woman, my picking them. I go find some small patchy, hide me for it. We correct na time for mission. If I like to go, I go. If I not like to go, I sit down me. People ask me, I dey explain am say na so na so. So now that thing them they make me I start to understand. People say they don't send money for buy gun. I know they see from diaspora.
From where?
From diaspora. Where
Diaspora.
Diaspora.
Okay, but if you tell you, I say diaspora don't send money, we buy weapon.
We buy weapon.
But actually, they don't ever diaspora. When I don't ever see some weapon the way they say
diaspora.
Since the 2017 we be joining up to today.
I never ever see them.
No weapon from the diaspora.
I say I never ever see them. The weapon the way I've ever seen my eye, and a weapon where they attack some barrack for Zua. Where they be taking a 4 AK, and then where they use them can't reach it, then 3 remain. And where that 3, sometimes they already sell them by now.
Okay, so you as for Barak, you've been a soldier. I would like to know your position. I mean, also tell your position also for Barak and your weapon too. You will use them.
Yeah, me I've been a general army. We get police, we get water, we get general army. I've been a general army because I not be like me some kind of disturbances, especially thief. I not be like me. So now one of the things in that way I be there for the act because. But them the thief they are not safe for hunter them. They go shoot the animals. Sometimes they want to make some shit with civilian, maybe even shoot you down by way don't terrorize
it.
You.
It will be loud a lot.
Yes. If you the civilian fish shoot you way, don't go for terrorizing. So I be saying no way they make them so tomorrow you can get some problem with inside bar away, you go worry. I've been a general army, I may have to control all granite and I've been use me now. Thompson.
Granite, that means the bullet.
The bullet. This
where you say granite, yes, that means bullet because
bullet,
that granite that one our own language.
Yeah,
we use them for Barak.
Normally.
Barak granite. So where you want to with the correct with the bullet. Yeah. And your weapon too will be the.
Again, a Thompson pump action. We be using 8 round.
Thompson. Yeah. Thompson. That's Thompson pump action.
Yes.
Okay, 8 round. With this your weapon, you be now which way be the way you really see and say. With that pump action for your hand, wait to be there with and say if you really do for this struggle, for say if you fight and with that your own pump action will be get up.
My brother, their struggle don't be for way. Even civilians, you know one even see them by our eye. You don't understand? Because that means that terrorizing, if you don't too much, the whole your mommy way you say the support you for the struggle, beat them again. Then you still go back again, it talks to me come back for contribution. Then you come out, you go war front, you pass the mommy, do the pass, you talk to the go war front, for go attack na who. Before you want to reach for day, they already 10 minutes to say this body they can't wait now for. I will shoot one more bang. I mean they follow and follow them. So when I run go enter for bush. They don't say we will fight. Me I will know me say this struggle so it don't just end. It don't end. I mean before I want to drop my gun, I know this struggle already end for 8 months. As I be here.
For 8 months, that was when?
That means before the drop gun for that April.
Okay, drop gun April 20, that's 2019.
Yeah, no, April 2020.
2020.
Yeah, when they tell me say stock we don't expire for 8 months.
Okay. Where they actually tell make and now you say you see them for your own self and then you do some inquiry you see and say wait to actually be there, you know it's been a struggle actually, right?
Yes. During that period for election. The first time that
election 2020 did
the election was 2020 where they
2020 okay
2020 election for senator
senate election okay
at the time
okay so after all your observation inside this thing because I believe so we enter for bush to fight for some one thing and that one thing will be our population the way they be on ground the civilian the way they be on ground. Wait till you don't see them say amber soldier them, they don't do for the civilian them, for motivate them, for show them, for saying I wrote this, they fight for them. Wait till you don't see them.
My brother, me as a day for I talk now, so I still feel shame up to today. But we not been a particular me I be do the action them. But my brother when I be doing them for bush, they do that action. But now so I don't can drop my weapon down. I did look them so at the shame. Because of safety. They inside the struggle. You just go meet a man for no nothing because if you amber soldier, just start knock him, beat him. So you don't deny for do contribution. Not be forced, not be he be pull for bush, and not be he go move for bush. They don't contribute for this struggle, they don't tire. My brother, I beg one now. una come out for bush. I dey still talk so, tears in my eye because some my brother and they for bush way, me I would like them plenty, and I know one made them get any harm. I dey talk for here today. I've been a first man for inside that mention. I don't come, I come on my 2 foot can reach. But I don't move 3 of my brother and they day for here with me inside this area center. They don't can see the life. They tell me say my brother, you thank me very much. Till we don't do for winning. Now only God will pay you. And they don't see the life. I dey enjoy now so I dey fine. No nothing no worry me.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for that one the point. So you see and say you don't come, you got since where you come on your bush, you can't reach the diesel and the way the militaries, those militaries, them because if you say yeah, we come out from bush, no na when, no na even you don't even know about this and see where we come out from bush. If you don't know tire you na the struggle, then just decide to go direct for military.
Yes.
Before military they actually tell you say
some
places like this are.
Yes.
And actually tell they tell you so wait till we be a reaction, wait till we check about the place.
Time when they be tell me so, I will be very happy because my brother may promise me they can't attack me. They first come up for go attack my woman, for kill my woman. My woman run go for bush. That's what that very minute go take my woman and bring her for me. They say okay, I want you to again minute. They say na my remena. Up to today they don't go burn my house.
That's your mommy?
Yes, my mommy stay with my big pie compound for corner minute them for inside Zoa. We in the center village yard. Yes. Zoa center system. It be for the free. You know get no problem again. So when una own brother, now God don't pass through me for can't talk see see the light for that side for an answer for una say nothing this way it happen. But una instead turn now for the changing my life. I know they pray me bad for some man. Me a day and for talk good. And if you promise me bad, not discover see if we turn for your back.
Exactly.
Wow.
The hunter becomes the hunted because
Yes.
man of it promise you bad way, you don't come, especially me where I talk of myself.
Yes.
Man of it promise me bad way, I don't come this put my weapon down, let me peacefully. Then he said try when I say me then know the truth and then they refine me. Like for example, I want to give example now for today for the country people them.
Yeah.
Wait till it happen. Yesterday we beat 31st August 2020. Where one amber soldier for yesterday around evening, he come for the DDR center. We can attack with one FAL 23 behind what they call him FAL. We would call him for Amazonian soldier, they call him fire. When a FAL 23, black police gun. He come actually for can attack we for DDR center. For in mind, as a diaspora that don't tell you say he will come reach or give million them. Me can kiki ex-combat and them. But wait to be on life. Wait to be on gain. Since you are the center where they don't tell you say bring your gun, come make and give you life. You bring the gun for can't take life. Instead for the center. Wait till they do it. If for they kill him, he die.
I losses.
He losses. Now don't lose. Now diaspora, not be diaspora, they did it for Europe. They enjoy them.
My brother, if my brother kill me today, they will bury me in a state burial.
Exactly.
No
be shallow grave.
A state burial, they will go do one for me, for my family, and they never leave my family. So my brother, them, the earlier the better. I just still beg una.
Yeah, because the beg they actually today, they never live with the whole today.
Yes.
Like from morning time now.
Yes.
Again, I saw the kill that one, so the other one, I don't know where they feel they come back now, but they come where the rollers attack stay reaches up, a commercial venue and all the rest side them.
All the rest side.
The whole of today, then they shooting. We don't tell una amber soldier them. Muna know una limit. Muna get una own limit. Forget all that stuff the way interim government is saying una muna they do and so. The truth they come up on our front every day. Every tato they tell una. Embezzlement, Dr. Samuel Sako, they get how much?
If they know say this struggle they pay, make them come back up on amber soldier them.
Okay, actually,
them,
yes, me they come.
Them for diaspora, make them come back up them to test her to go for war from.
Thank you, my brother. A very good point now. We don't come. True. Me they can nang to can test and hear the way we did. Can't take AK. Now the very talk we talk. Me they can pick a gun. AK. Me those people they were diaspora can pick AK.
Yes.
Move waste. Me move there for that back. Because it is strong for that side is send una. They give una all kind of instruction. Una go rob bank, all kind of stuff. I like the way to us the other day.
The same government money owner.
The same government money owner say una no want see. Una no want brasseries. Una no want brasseries for Cameroon for drink for people that will do their business. But una they operate government banks that will move their money them. Destroy their properties them. Descend in the sake of diaspora. Even a war this. Now so they fight war. When I know the way they fight war. So now una attention because ambassador I don't say the highest achievement. Now say me UN get notice on them. Now all that by then holding innocent people they will kill them. Only say me UN get attention of una. Now independent una want una attention. I really want to ask the people them. When they tell una say una draw attention, una make noise, una the entire town with people there. It's a daytime like today. Then the 1st September, sorry. 1st September, una the end of inside town, disturb place. What you una don't like, wait till una like get them. Inside the disturbances. Una be say una go can't shoot, una go do. We see them alive. Now we didn't inside Bamenda this at the center. Any Amazonia soldier where they around the area mid-year, we didn't a live program. When I be say don't shoot you una, they can make us say wait to go disturb actually for we. It is disturb now una. Now una the energy the work at the run. And I first saw una because we wanna go those mission they come back so you will see higher so money where they will film do and you lower soldier where you carry that gun go make noise. Because I know say inside this struggle we'll get one step now. Just for na first boss, na first step now. Yeah. Second our general they were commander them. We will come out for attack, we will come out mission them. And me have been a mission commander so I draw mission one time go come back. If you are draw mission go come back. I not be able to get even something where even drink milk for that trek and that distance, that kilometers or whatever. Would they have a water pass inside? I don't even they don't be even willing to move 15,000 or 20,000 give you, but they will promise you 50 million or passport or visa all thing for go Europe. You okay? I don't come out without promises the way they began to go. So my brother, well, I want to ask you on one thing.
Yeah, that's my brother.
If you be say true, you be telling we talk say we want fight for Northwest and Southwest. We want fight for the people. You will like and will fight for the people, then leave the land fly, or we like and will fight for them. Them wanna control the land.
I will like for fight so that more control our land.
Yeah. So if you like our fight, more control our territory, right?
More control our territory.
Okay. So since I started they tell we now say more say they will give we passport, make we go. US, go
so give you Wyman woman then.
Wyman woman passport. Nothing that way ambassador they die on top. Wyman woman passport with 15 million to 20 million francs.
First disadvantage for the struggle and say with the time we just start up. I generally tell we say no one see Southwest man come.
Okay, no one see Southwest man.
No one see Southwest man for our own territory. I ask and say that mean no so you see no one see Southwest man. This is Southwest people they were claim sayings. I say I say the one not been to do that fight where they ever hear.
Well, yeah. Actually, that time we tell Southwest people, you don't want to see Southwest people.
That time we General Ivan, no.
That time General Ivan.
So General Ivan be TV makes him for Nigeria. So no one see Southwest man for Norwest. I say okay.
Now Robosco they talk so. General was. I don't be call it General. Terrorist. Robosco. I give you see General. If you reach now, our General waiting for upstation here, or General Mr. Valerinka. You know, be rich. Wait the way you are general they do. I never see how many general them.
You never reach commandant for brigade. You never reach at all. You go which turn away. You say you never reach.
Exactly. You go how many mission?
How many mission? One mission where they be broke a full sniper. You go and go bush. You always send boy them. I don't tell them they come disturb my village. Now as I don't drop my weapon, I will be an only boy. They with two. Oh, they for the struggle. I don't come on. Remember one boy. We only pursue because now for inside our village where a minute then day. I don't tell them, me man no cross again. If they want to make that a thing, may they end for that a bush where they live for day. And one day they will know people the way they own that very bush.
Exactly, bro. Because actually, while brothers and sisters when they live outside, they hear bad, they suffer. The civilians they suffer. Look at it. Example like today, where it pass. People they meet, you know how many laws everybody where this boy that don't cause I start amend that town. You know how many people they supposed to do that business. You know how many people they way they don't program that day for the day. You know how many wait you don't spoil them. Sometimes some person dey so a sick person in the hospital wey need to come do na business before go take care of you. But when I just can't scatter place, disturb all place, then when I go sit down peacefully, because you look at the population, they suffer.
Even that very people in the diaspora, they don't fear God. Because if they would fear God, this shooting they go on so. But the day they drink that mimo and they enjoy that woman them. And their mommy they would have parents, they back there they suffer. But they fail to understand that one. They think say who go arrange it town. And them say people calm down, can't say they want to arrange back that town. Made them can't test and how that gun is the answer. And how disturbances that gun the cause them for inside 1 minute. How much one man they lost them. Made them can't find place down for inside the town where the war they go on. Made them test them for inside 1 minute. They will know how much one civilian they lost them for inside that second. Only that one mob gun took boom. 2 people don't already get high blood. Me, I don't notice them. 2 people don't already get high blood. Civilian, they be look me and be a car rider, so they be like me. After they see me, they pass with gun for hand. Even for Salome, so they fear for Salome. I be feel shame. Even now I don't drop my weapon. No. I they see them, so they want beg. They tell me, say man, I don't beg. Say I don't do the best decision, and now my future plan that. I don't already draw my future plan finish. Only for that I don't wash my hand and make temptation again. Not ever try someday.
You know, exactly, bro.
I don't pray for God.
Exactly, because thank you. When you don't talk for that point, so you remember me, Sotiwe. Yes. This is our brother from here. They call him Nick Santos.
Nick Santos.
For diaspora day. Where begin to talk say they don't create a DCR commission. They give it 2,000 francs to go buy sardine.
Better.
Better
for bush. I be the chop one. I don't mind wash with 7 go now.
He said they give it 2,000 to go buy oil sardine. Yes. They keep we within an extent. He called DDR an extensional prison. Say DDR now that prison where they don't extend them for we. So they inside will suffer. What you say DDR commission no be na reintegration process. Now just place where they just put we for maltreat them then finish we. I want to ask you whether you don't see some that
such. As I enter DDR, the way they will start treat me, I'll be surprised again. I say, hey, man, we don't who gone, they treat you for the kind of style and a half. They think wonder me again. I enter, they provide me all need for myself. They bring me chop 3 times one day. They take better breakfast. I tell them, see my family, they suffer. They send money for my family. See the way the phrase, no be so I be come. I come for bull now, so I be day. They enter for arming camp, they be give me a cock, big cock. That on the cock, they are back food, they long so. I never ever know say I could ever see the kind of life. I don't can see them. I call my 3 brother them. With me and them they work for bush. The other one work today, work for corner. It be they live yesterday.
Yes, when they call it fear the co. The one way they live yesterday.
Fear the co.
Fear the co. Now
they bring me.
Yes, now
they didn't 3. The all them can't talk. They appreciate me. So no, I don't try my best. No, I never get the idea. I just, in short, my story just they have a story from Moses be there. For that time for Egypt. I saw my story there. Where no man no force me, but see the way I refresh. My family be happy. People them where I don't brutalize them, I don't beg them for forgiveness and temptation. They be happy with me. They glad for see me.
But instead of brothers, the way yes. they be talk say you and the way one for all for one.
They promise for kill me now.
They promise now for kill you. But where the civil and the way they be even way you don't even go hurt them. Where you and them the join go hurt them, they don't forgive you.
They don't forgive me.
So you don't actually see and I say they fear say well come up for bush now because one can say that secret them.
Yes. My brother, me I know say some of them they fear now for thing the way they are bad the way they don't do for bush. But not be so. When you come up camp for GDR, they train you back how you get to live life inside society with population, with the people the way you don't brutalize them. I know say some of them are getting that fear. Because you don't know how if you stay inside people them. Because you don't overstay for bush, you see an animal every day. I know say that fear the water one, but it be normal. And so man like me, they will become. They will go buy shop for some place where they shame for drink. That left and tell me say, boy, drink. I say, sir, I don't drink my own alcohol. He said, drink, sir. I drink champagne, they go buy me whiskey them. Go pack, I dey look myself so I dey fear. But I want to discover no, I still meet this at their life. But those of them where they call themselves ambassador, them we don't and now my story say they don't kill me. Now my head this I still do time and when I'm gonna find my head, say I come out level na bush. I dey open a road for una. Any of my brother where I come out, una find way, and I will get my number. I'll bring una. Any man inside mention. We dey for who side we don't wrong go. Because plenty una do una wrong go, dwala wrong go ya only. If they catch you, na catch and that one is a different story. It be big terrorism. You don't find somebody and catch you. People in the way don't even catch themselves, they inside DDR. But you don't find somebody and catch you, na catch you. Because if you easily go in prison. Well, you know, say this thing now not been a shock one and fight. Now thief. I just think that thief.
Let me stop going and fight that too.
Me.
Thank you, my brother.
I be the year about General Ivo. He be try on best. Say the 1-5 struggle. But it changed. And he be tell on a direct here. The struggle. As when I don't talk so now create plenty comes them. You don't bring it already broken down the struggle. But even after years since that time, I think they've run day fine. Yeah, but when I not be 1 year. So me, I be stay for bush, I dey check that talk, I dey compare and as things they go on, I dey compare am. And finally, don't come be say una be terrorism. My brother, una come on for bush. I dey still beg una. I know it cost una, but now that vex, what the yes we and they cry every day so, I hear the vex me una. A life man plan me for good, I dey plan any man for. If a life man plan me for bad, but I plan any man for good. I don't give me no bad mind. Any of my brother waiting for bush.
Okay, I will please ask you some last few questions, my brother.
No problem.
So, since as you don't discover, say, Amba Tutu, the way they be talk, this struggle for independence, for restore back Amazonia and for the independent way you see and say we the fight for the way it later turn on terrorism.
Yes.
As you don't go more for the way you don't wash your hand for this. So wait till you come with DDR, you be sure of. Wait till they don't. The wait till DDR, Bamenda, Cameroon assure you for your future ahead. Or the DDR assure you about keeping for inside DDR center, making you job. Or they assure you for some better future. So we would like to know.
Well, my brother, DDR don't make me be inside the population. Now very simple. And secondly, my office day when I reintegration, where they evaluate me. Where I go down for day. Even if I dry cleaner, I wait, I will end a better life. Where they don't tell me how I get to go do them.
Even as a dry cleaner?
Yes, even I wait. But it shows I still get life ahead. Better life, not be another kind of better life. Because the way I live now, I live very well. Do even time I be ride machine, drive bike, not be so I be there. Time I be the ride bike, I compare and ride to time I be the drive bike.
Before you can enter bush.
I can't join bush again. But the life, I enjoy past the life. Not to talk of when they go don't reintegrate me, say I don't get work, but they end my salary per month.
Okay. Why I ask you this question today now? Because our brother, the terrorists, are the Amba terrorists.
Yeah, terrorists.
We call himself Nick Santos. We say we supposed to can't drop a gun, meet the government, our guns and meet the government, giving a story building them, money them, we can't in them. What to be that? Now we run the diaspora. One might come for that one the point. Now we run the diaspora day, we are the one more millions. We will be enter for bush first. We not forget to fight for the freedom for our people them. Careless. Now what I will give up ourselves the line. Careless way to where we go get and back. When I want abroad supposed to enter, when abroad enter, we find our money now. When they continue ask them. And Cameroon government no they beg any man for diaspora. They mean they carry they toss me they create them a rehabilitation center. Wait to be that one. A DDR center. They say me they create a rehabilitation center. They don't call for dialogue. They deny for come for dialogue. They create a disarmament center. They deny. Now they talk to me they create a rehabilitation center with another dialogue. So then again they give an opinion. Say make them giving a they be supposed to give in a story building. Then they move to 2,000 give it go buy sardine. I want to ask that Nick Christiantus where talk say the doctor. I don't know what I've been a native doctor or not kind of country doctor. You as a soldier, this wee terrorist boy the way you teach him because I've been an ex. When I thought I've been an ex-Amazonia fighter as an ex-terrorist too. also.
Now ex-terrorist.
This terror is the way we train us. So we expecting Mimi and this man where we there for years so will come up with bush just time come with that very dirty spirit they own be teach with them. That very nonsense attitude own be teach with them. Can me government carry million give we? If they will come, they don't give we a DDR center, but demobilize we before reintegrate we. We don't ask of story building them. Even they don't get this process to demobilize we. Wait the amber soldier wait on there for bush, wait he don't chop million, they chop people that cow, they chop people that sheep go, they chop people that tin them, they take people that tin them. How much government we give you when have many moment we don't come out come in over here demobilize, never understand where it be stand before they give money, they'll just carry if they carry now which can have me 100 million give you if you say go fit manage that money. When I want to deal with diaspora, so I want to talk to one clear word for now. When I look away for tarnish was center, this is Bamenda, but when I not succeed, when I don't fail. Or we don't fail the struggle. When I look for a way, because all that talk the way they talk, so me I know the reason Chris Santos for talk that kind of Nick Santos for talk that kind of talk. He not talk like a mature person. He talk like he be very childish. For say what is if the government wanted all we will come up, you know, when I know how many people on a brown brainwash and son of a bush. When I ask story business, when I talk say they supposed to come here, they give you 2,000 oil. When I ask story business, they say we will come on can she don't be here. They talk say any man na story video moto. Wait to be the economy for the country. Wait to go remember the economy for the country. It's also we. Then I wait till they will go bring ourselves for the civilian the way they on ground. If they can't give you story business or moto. We'll be the fight, and I don't know whether we will face actually. Though we see the inside Cameroon government, we will thank Cameroon government for 100% for save our life, because the one war where we will not declare on them. If they get peace mind, take we keep them. But when I know the tribe of the confuse the other people that bring them, the small one, when I know if brainwash any ex-commander away on the very level. For say make it start check the head, say if it start ask government about billions them about na terrorism the 1 billion. When I look that one, when I know what train terrorism again for ground zero. Any of those information when I leave this at the center alone. Because when I know go succeed to brainwash any people here. Government know them say reconstruction program they don't bring out the cities in them and will be very enough. That one be very enough for we. That way they can be that way if they bring up that reconstruction program. Me as an ex-commander, if I get only unemployment, forget to be only go add carry only water gear and this on one house where I don't make an destroy, I will be very happy. And I wish that
very happy.
I will wish that for arrange fixed back way to run spoil them. Not before ask more things and go ahead. So now on a day for diaspora, sister on our own decide say una want to have millions of Cameroon government. Muna no come. Muna remember for them. We don't need muna inside the land itself. Muna don't spoil them. What would the old even want and our brother they see the bush where they see fight with gun for the hand. Still yet again for the one the way they do without gun for the hand. Would still again go select the ones the way they be willing, where they know where to be the use of their life. They know where to be they know the difference between terrorism and fight for independence.
Fight for your right.
Now the ones that will beg them, they even come. We need even beg them, we tell them, they save their own life. Because I don't really save my own. I don't really do good for myself to save my own. They save their own life come with DJ at the center. Any man where they come here with gun, I will give a warning. Maybe not the one way they come. Around from Old Town. Because I know say when I was sent, you know, they been popular when I want. They can't plan even bomb anytime. But when I not be shocked. So
my brother,
God they will be here. We sorry when I
say
when I can't put with explosive them. Was sent. See that dog we come the other day. He come with even gun. Now automatic better gun that way all have your hand, but you know if you manipulate them. When I just what I send people they for ground zero way they don't even know how to use manipulate gun. Now automatic that how many rounds? He comes, he not be able. They kill the thing, they fly.
Now make him.
Now who die? What his family gain? What he gain? Yes,
boy,
my brother.
Them. When I make them boy, they frustrate their life. From my place during X-month period, they be say they will send money, but I be surprised for years say my general go school. He call himself say general. Go carry Dawara cow them. 30-something cow.
Dawara. He cow them.
Ndawara
Person
cow.
and a person where it develop place now.
Private man it
It
you go
develop.
carry am.
Okay, they go carry cow them.
Una go
Interesting.
carry cow. That one a thief. See the way take for follow una. That boy died. Who don't pay? You Robosco the chop say that you think say that boy when you make and they kill you so we don't know about that cow them. You think say you don't do now waiting. Now find you don't do am. You think say tomorrow why family go look you?
Exactly.
That's not correct, my brother. Find say you drop your weapon before they find you.
Or if you not drop a weapon, now we the control military.
No,
Military they already they will tell all
my
territory.
brother. Thing wey
So
we
we
for
would-
bush dey talk. No be na thing wey me I don't take my 2 eyes see am. We no be fight government. No wonder they have. Na me Desmond dey tell una say we no fit fight government. They no have bond up. That thing wey Robosco go shaking Ndawara. Ndawara na man of his own. He get company them. Na man dey develop the country. Go carry cow them. You run go enter for bush. As you know say one fight Ndawara because he buy land for una chief. You for stand.
Aha.
You for
You don't
stand.
see I'm not saying a personal thing.
Na personal thing wey the
I'm not talking a personal thing.
until he don't promise their chief say he no fit enter village. Until he can drive my own chief say he get problem with the other chief, he no go enter village. But the fight na village or the fight na the struggle. Calculate thing wey una dey fight for. You don't promise your chief me no come for village. He be correct because he sell land for Ndawara. And when Ndawara don't dig road for enter right for inside una village. Other money we spend and so if you pay am, plus you cow them, we don't take am go sell am. Say you don't create a bank account. My brother, you know
The
enjoy
boss
that
go
money.
get bank account in Nigeria.
You get bank account for
He
Nigeria.
get bank account in Nigeria. I believe say una the year general then dey for Cameroon where they fight struggle for Cameroon.
Yes.
They get they call themselves general terrorism. Sorry, where they
They
say
got
they
thief
fight
money go dey hide
struggle.
am. They thief money
They
go dey
get
hide am.
bank account. They're proud of bank account in
me,
Nigeria.
They don't work and collect all small boy that inside my village. Inside that very subdivision. Forcefully. Where I be there. Before one can disarm. They shoot my one friend with back foot when I'm back soldier too. The day I want now, where they carry run with. It no be even give we fool yourself or join the struggle. They join the force because they see and say get small money. You want to say you can join struggle.
Me finish the money. Them ball the way they never do the others. So.
My brother, I don't look that thing so you don't pass me.
Okay, I want to come for this one last point, bro, my brother.
Yes.
There's this point for where they start keep black legs them. Actually, the black legs they will be the killer. So if you beat to two now, only black legs they will be the key. So one or some different things on the you explain up.
My brother, that thing say black leg. You know, during war, man, if you meet up Amber now, we dey for war period, you meet up Amber, he asks you say, you don't see me today, you agree. You can turn a problem. No be problem. It's military. You no consent. You no consent for the war. You say, na black like that. You shoot and kill and pam. Only because they don't allow military.
Move here, go me Odeshi.
Move here, go make Odeshi. Because you want get money. Carry skeleton and carry and say, one go sell them. There's some 2 pardon way. They send a H pardon. They send boy them to go kill that pardon. The day I deny that mission. I say, me I not go go. Just because say that pardon no home meeting. Say waiting. Made an open bar market for that place. See market the function. Think they know the camp. My brother, for Bamena, you know, they fine. For them, the minute they never reach our place. But the way these Amber boys and don't turn the thing, they been at a personal problem, that personal own. They don't leave civilian and they rest at all. Say me in gather small market. If you get a chance, you go buy something for home. You can't sell and for market. They go burn that market all down.
Go burn market for civilian them.
Market for civilian and they will not be
Who said be that too?
for Israel subdivision or for Yem they burn that market down. Shoot kill that 3 parent.
Where they should kill the 3 party where they give suggestions.
Say me them form back that market.
They form back that market
Make people
because
know
they want to
about-
do that business.
Yes, make people
Manage their life,
Yes, make people know about suffer. Even men of our place, he beg say make dem leave am. He wan dig road, may enter right inside from center to where they call am say Aba. Make dem fix that road, but dem deny. Una no dey fit pass for that road. You no get hard for waka for main road. You waka inside bush. Leave man wey wan pass you for road, he pass for a road. It is the same road wey dey deny say make dem no use am. Na the same road wey dey fight say when struggle don finish, you go can't use the road. Leave the road alone, make them fix am for you.
Who struggle?
You know if you leave am. But see where una dey do am.
Who struggle? They know say they just want last. They want keep our people under captivity. Now whether they don't want to actually meet them function. They want keep them under captivity.
Yes.
They don't ever understand the truth. But since as they don't decide to keep our own people the way me have been also enter the fight and fight with them. We not ever hide the truth for these people them. We'll tell them all way to way when I all way to what we do. All
a word for a while is sufficient.
It's sufficient, it's very sufficient.
Yes. So my brother then at the back any of my brother wait there for bush. Tomorrow if I hear say they don't kill you, you not gonna worry me. You not gonna worry me.
We go now family
because back. I don't talk since we at this arm can't reach today. When I no play what I did. They talk say they don't kill me when I lie. I dey alive. I dey talk every day. I dey call when I inside my phone. I dey tell when I say I dey. When I treating me, but I tell when I say my brother, the life what they enjoy am. Now for all man we be there for bush. When a frustration and a life, lie where they become lie, we say when I go for bush, so and so go come. But I never ever can see them today. And the struggle they still go on for how many years? For how many years? Then look for the few months. The way me I don't drop my weapon, CRD. Then we check now for the next 2 years how me I could be. When I take and compare them, when I see my brother them, I beg the earlier the better. That general, he dey on his own.
You say so
they no pay una. Me I know all man. They no pay no man.
They no pay no ambassador.
No man no fit knock chest unless that money them wey una dey go collect am for that mammy them. Especially that mammy them na the worst thing that dey vex me. You go meet on mammy work out with stick. You say mammy they don't talk say you contribute 500. When you carry a small big country kanwa go sell for inside market can't take that 500 give you.
Wait, maybe na soldier way. I don't know what
way. Soldier way na you. You talk say
big
soldier.
Wait, strong blood. It can't take 500. Mammy they say na kanwa.
Kanwa.
Say na amba soldier.
Say be amba soldier.
No, this my brother. Actually, they don't be very annoying. And since as soon as I don't stand for the start attack with, we want to give a very clear word.
A clear word.
Clear word.
Hospital. When na you take care of that very mammy, you go move all bed them, move medicine, see me all man die. Hey, very civilian way you talk say the guy time. They think say you do now wetin. And your own mammy dey for that very place where you make other rubbish. Your own mammy will born you, dey for that very place where they move bed them, take medicine them, inside hospital, lock them, say me no function, say na government property. Why you know they deny for use their money?
Why
you go find your own money for use am?
I say you know will not be the thing by you know be the thing by Brazzaville
I be the drink Brazzaville Mimbo.
For Barak. Is that come?
All team.
But it's nice to and they not sell them. Chai.
You see civilian already if they sell am na problem. But after you go for this say you contribute you give me small thing no gram you know the worker. You can move and give you. And when you give you that intention, bad prayer, you go for one friend and shoot and palm before. That man they for they add the rank them. Say they for diaspora, they add the rank. Say gay boys them, they fight.
That's
the man for diaspora about me where he go talk say gay boys them, they fight. I thank God because my mama will take the time slowly and steadily to pray for me. Because my brother, that war and the thing say they fight war, it never start. Mad exactly. One never fight this struggle. When I drop on a weapon, come over, I beg una. They don't want to fight una. This thing they so they play na play.
Now when I see brother,
don't take man we don't go fight war with different country.
Boko Haram they never succeed to enter Cameroon.
Boko Haram. Before man can hang along say the left thing.
Nigeria then they for Bakassi, they not be able. When an ambassador with 10 gun, where they what you why they wait to defend me?
Now what the ref una?
Now what the me would believe. So if you ever really fight this nonsense, take I even said how long. Boko Haram they never get grenade launcher, the kind instrument them. They never ever succeed to cross territory with Cameroon. enter succeed.
Now
Na
that
Amazonian soldier one key or because one want us one fight one, that means una don't declare so una go finish all the military.
all the military.
How many military they don't kill us since when this struggle start? How many?
They flop na flop.
They flop na flop every day. I see na new set them.
They think they wonder me whether they.
When I want the country na we military, we are not be able.
As
When I operation civilian, na but for all things for disturb people them. So that when they run, I work at the thief small thing them.
the
When I
highest.
continue with thief, so an animal where the thief is at struggle, he will die a painful death.
They not bury himself.
Yes, in a shallow grave, you will don't decide to hide inside water, hide inside bush, take money chop. Because I know say some of these soldiers the way they do inside bush now, so now because they been some kind trash people the way before this struggle, they not be able to hold 500 francs boats on top. When struggle come, when I see so when I think they hard because they don't give when the civil and the big fair guy they give when they right. When I see so when I think they hard, when I work I take small money them, when I work I take their money them forcefully. Don't be so, my brother.
So no, when I start again for the knock them, the beat them, they do
Alright.
this one. You get the man get bike, you go see them. This one get motor, you see them. You say because you say Abiamba, they go war front, you go war front, you take our power. You
Now
know
what
see
you
where
can
that
do,
man,
go fight am.
you know see where that man they pray for you. You don't like yet saying I wish military man where they don't train them. He even take man in single spoon where they chop for they say na struggle. My brother, I beg. It will be too late though. As I still repeat, it will be too late. Because GGR Center, they never hide them. They don't publish on all sites. All sites. Where the military, they take me, they go me inside that very market where I'm and become born. So they put me on top slap and make speech. Mommy then they cry, they can't hold me. Say my picking, are you this so? The one the way they don't stay for how many years, they don't see me, they sing that day. They say, you sure say na you? I say na me, mommy. Say na you, agree. But no say na, they think that way they make us some now. You know fit. But my brother, now just small normal thing. Just make up your mind. You go, can't drop your weapon for down. They will receive you like a new Christian for life.
Okay, thank you for contributing them. I thank you very much for catch don't we. We listen today for what we are for my brother here, Desmond. May Desmond from Menchum. We be actually working on General Robosco for Menchum division today. You don't work with all issue, other side them. So I go thank you very much, and I also want to appreciate you, bro, for saying good.
Thank you too, my
Because
brother.
actually, plenty people that deny to come talk the truth with this guy them. Because actually they fear they treat the way just
don't
for
do
send them with them.
Yes.
But I want actually tell something. Find way who come actually show our face here. All those treat the way diaspora the gang so. It no go cost me nothing. For first see as me, I lost my own life. For make them, but before I lost my own life, people them who don't understand what it happen. Message go don't go far. If you been and say wanna be strong, they wanna talk. After if we wanna come, wanna finish all we were there for years, so they wanna block the population and hear them, they not hear the message. Now one thing now I go talk for Amba soldier them because I believe una get force now only for name them. Do I talk? Una position them. Una relate to them, get them a diaspora. The man they talk, I get my boys.
You get my boys.
Any of that boys the way you go send them.
You pay how much?
I said before someone go one move me for game, he go down first one go down. I'm say they will run die like three times. No, I say about this boss. But since every day the diaspora don't decide to me this guy they can find because they said this guy will be very peaceful. Look at how our face is shine. We get that dirty face, that kind face, that kind skin will get up a bush.
I'm very general. Now so I be fresh. That time we know me. Now so I be fresh.
Now I believe a bush. I be been a very dirty creature. When I want send people, they me they come worry me. But anyone, one of the send and someone of the send for bargain for no say one of the send and for find a war. Because shame will be on our own. When the population will not finish know the truth, and I will be kicked out of this land, like rat them. Because I always been a rat them. Now when I talk, I always say that all civilians they suffer, they fear to talk the truth. But me as an ex-combatant, I be carry a damn gun for start fight military before I can hold automatic gun. I know we figure that hard to stand for go a damn gun go fight military. I know we get the hard because stand there when I the truth today. For wait till when I don't make our run pass inside. When I know people when I pick you any threat them here or down have explosive them. When I come explode down they go scare any of we here. We know we go no side.
God,
Go there inside this
God walk away. God.
and we go there in peace the way we dey because where animal wey dey want to say animal wey be peaceful na a godly creature. I will thank una very much my country people dem for today. Thank una for una time una don take am to follow up for our sensitization and for hear also hear our stories dem one after the other. We go also beg una say make una share this information. Help we share the information make go far for every individual there and dey for outside the ones wey dey for bush and the ones wey dey still bargain wey dey still wan brainwash them because I know say plenty dey wey dey still wan try for brainwash them. Me dey enter inside of their trash but me dey know say this struggle don time reach na time people dey try na for comot people dey no dey enter make dem know that one. So we go like am make the message reach all these individuals dem and we go pray for dey happy. We go pray for say me all man dey fine and we dey happy too for our own life. Forgive a hand help to for government, me dem help we and me all man help put hand to for resolve this struggle because any help all we will help it matter inside the thing no matter how small it be. No matter how small, even if you see an amber around your area, locate them for the authorities them. Or you advise if you see am say na a person will be close to you, talk for you, means drop the gun. Or you invite the military them. Me like cook the kunkum. The way if you talk say one fight with them. Because when they cook any amber soldier kunkum, we will not cry, we will call the tongue and say,
brother.
We'll be bargain up for fight with them. Why you don't be prepared for race gun, you be prepared for die. If you don't be prepared for shoot gun, you be prepared for die. So those ones the way they don't be prepared for die, make them continue. They mix that kunkum, they go ahead. While the ones the way they enter will the godly heart and for the wish of independent way they don't say I say which they don't say I say no they me they come on one save their own lives them. Yes. Thank you very much my brothers and sisters.
Those who live by gun shall die
by the gun. Those who live by the gun, me yes. Remember die by the gun.
Yes, my brother I thank una very much my country people them. I be very happy for can she don't talk una because of the thing the way they happen. It vex me plenty because nobody the things will be the fight for, nobody fight na civilian. The thing where they happen, na civilian the instant suffer with the struggle, so they pass even the man requires him say the amber soldier say.
Okay.
Well,
thank you.
We will see you next time.
Thank you very much. Another the poem will go on the road as we talk. If the amber soldier they like, I mean, they continue beginning make noise every day because now noise they make up. And they will make the noise one every day so they will 411 to the go for their own since I don't decide to live as different people they no go rest. Me them receive their faith receive their faith because they don't decide for sign to do so. Thank you very much for today. And we'll be very happy for Biuna. And we will always come on for anything. Thank you very much, my country people. Thank you,
brother. I'll be very happy to talk with you today.